want you to know I won't let you go. We were flying off far. I'll give you my all. With everything I do, I will breathe and love you. I will strive and not fall. I'll give you my all.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. My name is Mohammad Rafi and you are watching RAYTECHSTUDIO. Well guys, we are back with another premium brand in our studio guys, but this time the brand is about the gaming chair guys. Well, I always get fascinated by the gaming chairs and I always wanted one, so I end up buying a gaming chair from our local market. But guys, that chair got so much issue after the passage of time and also gave us so much noises and the discomfort after the passage of time. But guys, today I am so much thankful to the Vertagear for sending us their top of the line and the latest PL4800 gaming chair, which we are going to review it today into detail. So guys, do watch the video till end so you can know if you want to buy this gaming chair or not. So guys, without wasting any of the time now, let's start the show. Before moving further guys, quickly go down and press the subscribe icon and the bell icon so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will wait 3 seconds so you can go and press the subscribe icon. Hopefully guys you have pressed the subscribe icon. Thank you so much for that. So guys, let's quickly do the unboxing of this gaming chair. Well, a big unboxing and see what contents they have provided you into the box.
I want you to know I won't let you go. We were flying off far. I'll give you my all. With everything I do, I will breathe and love you. I will strive and not fall. I'll give you my all. 'Cause wherever you go, know that I'll be beside you. I'll give you my all. With everything I do, is you and me forever. You are making me better. You make me feel alive, alive. You make me feel alive. Oh, you make me feel alive, alive. You make me feel alive. Oh, oh. Cause wherever you go, know that I'll be beside you. I'll give you my all. With everything I do, is you and me forever. You are making me better.
Well, the assembling is no such rocket science. You can easily do it yourself guys. We have done the complete assembling of this chair into 20 to 25 minutes guys. Also you can do it as well, but if you get stuck at some point, then Vertagear have provided you a complete instruction manual into the box, which you can use and follow step by step to complete the assembling of the gaming chair. Now guys, starting from the design of this gaming chair, Vertagear have done a massive effort in maintaining the combination of the minimalism and the stylish design for this gaming chair guys. Also guys, this chair is available into 6 variants into the market, and the variant we are going to review today is of the black color with black carbon fiber stripes, which gives a really aesthetic and a dope look, also increase the gamer vibes of this gaming chair. Now talking about the top side of the gaming chair guys, you can see there are 2 holes into the headrest of this gaming chair guys, which is giving a sporty type of a look to the chair guys. Plus at the back side of these holes you can see there is a really dope logo of the Vertagear guys, and the adjustment buttons of the gaming chair is of chrome color. Plus if you see at the tire guys, the tires of this gaming chair is of black color, which is totally getting matched with the color of the fabric. Moreover guys, if you are a RGB lover and want some RGB type of a vibes in this gaming chair guys, then you don't need to worry guys, you can easily go on the site and buy the RGB lightning kit for the PL4800 guys. That RGB kit doesn't come into the box guys, you have to buy it separately from the site of the Vertagear. But guys, the RGB lightning kit is really great. This RGB lightning kit get fixed into the 2 holes of the gaming chair guys. The RGB lighting effects are really dope. Plus guys, you can also fix your choice of logo into the mid side of the gaming chair, which gives a whole aesthetic and a dope look to the whole chair guys. Well, I am so much impressed by the design. There is no such disappointment in the design of this gaming chair guys. Very well done Vertagear. Now guys, talking about the build quality of this gaming chair guys, the build quality is really solid and premium guys. The whole chair is made up of a high quality material. Also guys, the carbon fiber textured fabric and also the matte fabric of the gaming chair is made up of high quality. I don't think so guys, this fabric is going anywhere even after a long period of time. Also the lumbar support of this chair is quite substantial guys. It helps in maintaining the posture of your body guys, so you cannot feel any pain into your spine. Moreover guys, I think anyone can sit on this chair for long period of time and do their stuff, their work, their gaming, anything guys, because Vertagear have done an amazing job in maintaining the comfort of this gaming chair. Also Vertagear has provided you a cushion for your headrest guys, and also you can place the cushion for your back as well guys. This cushion helps you in maintaining the comfort for your head and also maintaining the posture of the body as well. We have done many adjustments, fidgeting guys, moved back and forth and done many stuff in adjusting the height guys, but this gaming chair haven't produced any type of annoying noise like my old gaming chair guys. Well, I haven't seen this type of stuff into many gaming chairs, but Vertagear have done an amazing job guys. Well, no such disappointments in the build quality as well. Now guys, talking about the key features and the performance of this gaming chair, PL4800 accompanies you with the 4D armrest. Well, these armrests can be adjusted into 4 directions. You can adjust it into the height. You can also adjust it back and forth, can be adjusted into the sideways and also into the cross dimensional adjustments as well. Well, all these adjustments are done only to maintain the proper posture and the perfect posture of your body according to your height. Moreover guys, talking about the height and the weight this chair can take, a person tall as 6 foot 6 inches and also with the weight of 400 lbs can comfortably sit on this gaming chair. Also, PL4800 features you ContourMax Lumbar, which is the signature technology embedded in the backrest of this gaming chair guys, which gives you comfort on your back for even long period of time when you are using this gaming chair for your work and the gaming and other tasks as well. Moreover guys, Vertagear have given another technology into PL4800, which is the Hygenn X technology. Well, this technology helps in maintaining the natural order of the gaming chair, and it also makes the fabric breathable guys, because as you know that if you are sitting on the gaming chair into hot weather, your clothes become sweaty. Well, there is no such disappointments into this gaming chair thanks to the Hygenn X technology. Also, the embroidery on the gaming chair is of silver coated guys. It helps in neutralizing the bacterial growth, which increase the overall age of the gaming chair. Not talking about the price and the warranty of the PL4800. You can buy this gaming chair easily for the price of $500 and also Vertagear has given you a warranty of 10 years, which is fabulous. Well, I'm totally impressed by the overall build quality, comfort and also the design of the gaming chair guys, and this was Vertagear PL4800. Thank you so much for watching our video guys. If you have some questions, you can easily mention into the comments. We will answer you there and I will see you into the next one now. Thank you.